next topic is gonna be your other operators. Like you can see the list of all the operators, grouping operators, comparing operators, logical operators. We have so many operators to be discussed. But before going to that operators, other operators, you have to have an idea of something called as precedence. Operator precedence. So precedence in English language, we translate it as the priorities. Now operator precedence means the priorities of the operators. So in JavaScript, total amount of entire, without taking the categories, there are 56 operators. In JavaScript there are 56 operators. All of them are been divided into a table called as precedence table into 19 levels. You can see the precedence table here. I want you to have a look at this table for at least 1 minute and try to observe what you can see. Okay, so if I had an expression like this, if I have 8 by divided by 2, then I have plus 9 minus 8, then I have plus bracket 5 into 9 minus 9, and so see, it's showing the result. Please don't try to see that result. Let us understand how it is we are getting the result. The rule here followed here is our mathematics rule. What math that we do brackets, orders, that you have division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now first thing first, the brackets are solved. 5 into 9 became 45. 45 minus 9 became 36, right? Now that is 36 that we will add later with all this expression. Next after bracket is your division operator. So you will divide, then 8 by 2, you will get 4 there. You got 4 there. Now you have 4 plus 9 minus 8. Now the 4 plus 9 is going to give 13. 13 minus 8 will result in 5. Now that 5 plus 36, you got 41. So this is how the entire expression is resolved here. All the mathematics rules, nothing complicated here, nothing complicated, but there are certain complications in precedence. So I want you to have that table and you should try the operators that we have just discussed. Try to write down these expressions and try to get the result, and I'll provide you with the exercise also with various difficult questions, so that you could comment the result what you're getting. I'll reply back if it is correct or not. Okay, and probably in the next video I'll reveal all that answers to you. So this is an interesting concept and it will also improve your mathematics for sure. So that was about the precedence here. Now let us move on to the next and last topic of today's video, our comparing operators. Now what do you mean by comparing? Means we are trying to compare something with something, and in the last video I showed you, if you remember my last video, I have created two symbols, right? And I took s1 is equal to s2. Then I got false. If I was writing just s1 equal to s2, then it was giving me nothing. So that means we were comparing this thing. So the comparing operators in JavaScript are of two kinds of comparing operators, either with just comparing the values or comparing the values and their types. If you just want to compare the values, you're gonna use the equal to operator. If you want to compare the values as well as the type, you're gonna take triple equal to. If you want to see if two variables or two values are not equal, you're gonna take not equal to. If you want to check if two variables have not equal values, not equal types, then you're gonna take that exclamation mark and double equal to. So that is the comparing operator. Let us come here and see on the screens. What if I do 2 is equal to 2, true, 3, false. So see, this is just a comparing operator, just comparing the values, not type, because here 2 and 3 are of same type. They are of integer type and we're getting false. No, but if you do this, again false. You know what is the reason? Because this triple equal to will check two things, as I told you, value plus number plus type. If I give here I'll get false because it's checking the type also, not just the value. But if you do this, you got true. You see that it is just checking the value. It is checking value plus type. Same the same is with not equal to 1 is not equal to 1, false. And here type is also equal, value is also equal. This will just check if the value is not same. Yeah, okay. If value is not same, now it will return true if LHS is not equal to RHS, and false if LHS is equal to RHS. So remember this. Next, let us try this. Taking LHS not equal to symbol. First what I'll do, LHS not equal to RHS. I'll take some 4. So it returned true. You can see the true here. So that's it for that. Now, and false if LHS and RHS are equal. Yeah, we got the false here. False if LHS and RHS are equal. Coming on to this operator, this will return false only if both LHS and RHS have same type and value. So you have to remember this. Else true. So this will return false only if both LHS and RHS have the same type and value. Let's see this. So let's do 2 not equal to 2. So I have taken LHS and RHS with same type and same value. Sorry for that, same value. That's why we got false. If you take anything other than this, you will get true. Let's try this. You get true. You write anything, you take a, you get true. So this was about the not equal operator. That was about the comparing operators. Now in the comparing operators, we also have greater than equal to, less than equal to. See, 2 is greater than 3, false. 2 is greater than or equal to 3, false. Not even greater, not even equal. 10 is greater than or equal to 9, true, because it is not, it is greater, it's not equal. So either it should be greater, either it should be equal. Coming to this next one, less than, same as like that. 1, because it's not even less, not even equal, like this. Okay, we also have the less than. I forgot. Yeah, this is very simple, just simple mathematics you just have. Okay, now that's it for today. So I recommend you to do the exercises and improve yourself on this thing. This is confusing, and I'll promise you, if you get very handy on this, it's gonna help you in your major projects. Thank you very much.